So hi guys, welcome to my channel. And parang it's been a while since I last posted a video here on YouTube. And yes, nasa barko pa rin ako. And this is my third contract with the company, and ngayon nasa Brazil ako. And I'm really not a fan of this country because one, ang init niya. Like, ang init dito. Two, magulo yung mga tao dito. Like, I can't even. And then three, may kasama akong mga locals. And when it comes to work ethics, they are not like the best. But anyway, I'm not here to talk about them and my work. I'm here to actually, ang dami ko ng attempts like gumawa ng ganitong klaseng video, like a makeup video. It's just that I don't know, nahiya ako. I'm not sure what to do, I'm not sure what to say or whatever. But yeah, ngayon kasi mag-makeup ako because meron magba-birthday here. And so tumitingin, wait lang, bagong lahat, tumitingin ako here kasi nakakast yung phone ko sa TV. So I just want to see kung paano itsura. But yun, so let's start. So I'm gonna start off with my primer. Nabili ko tong primer na to here sa Brazil, but it's so good. I love this. It really makes or help your makeup na maglast all day. And it's prone to oily skin because I have oily skin, especially here sa nose area. And yeah, sa nose ko, tapos somewhere here sa forehead, nag-oil siya. Pero like sa cheeks and other parts of my face, medyo dry. So I'm more of a combination pala rather than oily skin. So ayan. So let's just set that. And while we're waiting, papakita ko na rin. So I promised myself sa next contract ko, which is yung ngayon, I'm gonna bring dolls. And I brought Phoebe. Phoebe na playing sports. Ayan. Ayan siya. Yan ang look niya for this trip. Very pink, very pretty, very sexy. Itong fur na to, gawa to ni Jet, as usual. And then itong dress na to, I'm not sure if it's like an original Bratz dress, pero kasya sa kanila and ka-size nila. And medyo mahaba talaga, like hanggang here. And you know me naman, I don't like dress na hanggang dito ang length. So pinaiksian ko rin kay Jet. So, naging mini micro dress siya. And here's her hair. Yan. So pretty. I love this Phoebe. This is my all-time favorite Phoebe. And also, dala ko rin tatlong rainbow high. Una sa lahat, si Miss Paris Hilton. Ayan, dala ko si Paris Hilton. Ayan siya. And then, dala ko rin si Brianna. And she's wearing yung outfit ni Paris na all pink. Ayan. Cute niya. Mukha siyang CEO. CEO girl. CEO bitch. Ayan. And dala ko rin si... Okay, medyo dry na yun. I mean, medyo nag-set na yung ano ko. Kasi pag nag-set yung primer na to, parang nagiging velvet siya. Which is nice. And it's not like super sticky. Then, dala ko rin si Costume Ball Bella. Ayan siya. She's so pretty. She's my favorite Bella. Okay, so going back to makeup. So, after ko mag-primer, I don't have color corrector right now. Kaya, I'm gonna go with my foundation, which is the Mousse Foundation from Essence. Nadadalian ako sa foundation na to. It's not giving me a hard time. Yun. medyo tan lang siya. Pero, sinadya ko yon kasi binili ko to sa Germany. And then, alam ko na napupunta ako dito sa Brazil. Wait lang, i-tone down ko lang yung orange light ko. So I can see the Binili ko to sa Germany. Tapos, I already knew na my next trip would be here sa Brazil. Kaya sabi ko, gusto ko maging prepared for tan skin. And, bakit parang, ayan pala dapat. Kasi yung ilaw ko andito, nakakainis eh. Pero yan, medyo off lang yung lighting, but in real life naman, pantay siya, and it's not that orange. Pero sige, try ko to. Or taas natin. Or patayin ko na lang ilaw. Wait, hold on. Ayan, much better. So, pero parang, let's tone it down a bit. Is it helping? No, parang much better yung may light kanina. Or let's put the light here. Mas mukha akong orange, pero sige, yan, dyan na lang siya. Tapos lakasan natin siya. Asan na yung button? Ang hirap naman mag-makeup kasi ang dilim. Anyway. Ayun nga, so, as I was saying, I bought this foundation sa Germany. And I'm not sure if meron tong brand na to sa Philippines, but parang there is. And I so love this. It's like, it's so lightweight. Though, wala siyang, hindi siya like super sticky and all. Hindi siya like super heavy, but you know that there's makeup. But it's not like it's super heavy or something. So yun. I'm so sorry, I don't know what to say. But yeah, let's just do my face. Ngayon, wala akong dalang contact lens. Unfortunately, naiwan ko siya sa bahay nung paalis ako. And, nakakainis. Kasi, minsan, contact lens lang, and then powder, I'm good to go na. Like, okay na ako sa ganon. Hindi naman sinasabi kong fresh ako, pero feeling ko fresh na ako sa ganon. Okay, so next is concealer. And this is from Maybelline na Fit Me. Ito medyo heavy to. So, ano lang natin. Tapos, I would put some sa nose. Yan lang. Tapos, with my brush, let it set pala muna for a bit. So, how are you guys? How is your doll collecting? So, I know that I have like stepped back sa Bratz World because of some things that I'm really not happy about it. Pero ngayon, I'm slowly getting back into the Bratz World, like baby steps lang. Sinisimulan ko kay Phoebe. So, I was able to get Phoebe. Actually, dalawa na yun eh. Dalawa yung nakuha ko. Original Phoebe. They're both wearing their original clothes. Pero yung isa, wala lang yung fur jacket. Pero yung isa na bili ko, thank God, meron siyang original sunglasses. And kasama yung original jacket. So, hallelujah, amen talaga. I'm so happy. And then, nakabuy din ako ng Mycenia. I think it's the City Diva Nia, if I'm not mistaken. Pero she was rerouted. Pero same color lang naman ng hair, but it's like super long. Like, I cannot. So, ang gagawin ko, papakat ko ng konti kay Jet. Kasi he's like the hair expert ko na friend when it comes to dolls. So, siya nang bahala doon. Hindi ko, naano ako sa lighting. Pero in real life, lapat naman siya. And it's not like super orange like nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen nyo. But yeah, anyway, let's go back. So, ganyan ako mag-concealer. Very minimal lang. Pero we can add some more naman. Sige. For brightening. Yan. So, ayun nga. Tapos, yung Nia na yun, I got her in a bundle. May kasama siyang Rock Angels na Sasha. And, I promised my friend na ibibigay ko yun sa kanya as a gift. Pero parang I'm now contemplating kasi nga I'm slowly getting back sa pag-collect ng brats. And to be honest, pretty naman yung Sasha na yun. Ayoko lang ng hair color niya. Siguro papaiba ko. If ever na, I would keep that Sasha. If hindi ko itutol na ibigay sa friend ko. But my plan is to give it nga yun sa kanya. And then, nakabili rin ako ng bundle ng clothes ng brats, for brats. Na merong Princess Roxy na outfit, like yung green top and then yung pants. Hindi ko nakuha yung original shoes, but meron siyang green shoes na heels, so that's perfect. I'm happy na doon, so I won't complain na. And the shoes looks glam naman, hindi yung parang random shoes lang. So I'm gonna bake a bit. Mag-bake lang tayo ng under eye. Parang super minimal lang. Just a set. Yan. Ganyan lang. Konti lang. And then let's wait for that to set. Or I'm gonna let it set muna sa face ko. And then while we're waiting, I'm gonna do my brows. Itong pang brows ko din, I got this here sa Germany. Pero na-buy ko to nung first trip ko here, which was last year. And super dami pa rin nga. Diba? Medyo messy lang. But that's fine. Nagagamit pa naman siya. And then I'm gonna wet this a bit. Mabasahin ko ito ng very, very light. Ito na lang. May water ako dito. Paubos naman ito. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, no pala muna. I'm gonna fill in my brows pala. I'm gonna draw my brows pala muna with this brow pen. Yan. So I need to closer look sa brows. So usually I start sa bottom part, like sa ilalim. Kasi that's how I draw my foundation, and then doon ko binibase yung magiging shape niya sa outer or sa dito sa taas. So yan, dito siya. Hindi ko makita kasi naman itong ilaw. Ayan, ilayo natin. Ayan, nakikita ko yung shadow. So i-draw ko siya here. Gagawa akong tail. Extend lang natin yung konti. Tapos medyo extend ko rin tong part na to, kasi pag nag-nose line naman ako, doon ko kino-connect. So yan na yun. Ito na yung foundation ng brows ko. And then what I do is i-draw na siya sa taas. Doon ko siya i-carve. Tapos yung tail, kukonect ko lang siya. So that's it. Hindi ko naman kailangan like super duper, hindi ko kailangan na like parang super on fleek na brows kasi birthday lang naman. And dito lang naman kami sa bar ko. So yan. So let's draw this part. Yan. And then, para malinis ko siya, winet ko lang yung eyebrow brush ko, which is an angled brush. Yan siya. Yan. So, after ko uwet, ito-dry ko ng konti. And then, I would get my eyebrow powder to set. And this eyebrow powder, oh my god, sobrang long-lasting niya. Like, pawisan na ako and all. Andun pa rin siya. And then, same process. Uunahin ko yung baba. And then, itong tail. Make sure na matulis. Clean and sharp. Yan. Tapos, hindi ko iaano agad. Medyo dito muna sa gitna ko lalagyan para makikita ko yung shape niya. Unti-unti lalagyan ko na yung harap. Yan. Yan. So ngayon medyo harsh pa yung harap, pero lilinisin natin yan. So once na nakuha ko na yung shape na want ko, I would go back dun sa harap, lalagyan ko pa unti-unti. And then, dip ulit. As of now, medyo dry na yung brush. So, lalagyan ko na yung gitna. And then, unti-unti lang din sa harap. Yan. Hindi ako naging fan ng bushy brows kasi it's not bagay sa akin. Like, I tried it before. Hindi ako lumabas. Hindi ko rin siya film or whatsoever kasi hindi bagay sa akin. I really want the 2016 eyebrows trend na super kurba. I mean, hulmado. Ba't kurba? Hulmado na kilay. So, yan. Next step is to blend itong part na to using a brush. Yan siya. Yan. Ito yung gamit kong brush. And then, I would get yung same eyebrow powder. I-dip ko siya doon. And then, i-blend ko na to. Make sure, you have to make sure na parang you don't get this super boxy kilay. Ayan, ganyan. Medyo boxy siya. So, what I do, clean your brush. I clean my brush. And then, I blend it more. Once na makita ko na parang blended na siya, and then, I use the other side ng brush, itong spoolie. And then, blend it pataas. Yan. And then, using your sponge, igaganon ko siya. Or my sponge, rather. Yan. So, hindi siya like super boxy kilay, diba? So, yan. I really tried to make the bushy, thick eyebrows thing work sa akin, but it's really not bagay. Maybe nabagayan siya, but it's not for me. And, masanay ako sa ganito. Siguro in a separate video, I'll try to do that sa akin. And then, kayong humusga if it's bagay or not. But as of now, yan. Tapos, blend ulit. If you feel like it's too harsh. Nakakainis kasi yung lighting eh. Anyway, so next kilay, I'm gonna do this as fast as I can to save time. So wet the brush, dab, then get the product. Place your brows, and then draw. So like I said, foundation ko here sa ilalim. But it really depends on you guys kung paano nyo, like kung saan kayo sanay. Sanayan lang kasi yan. Ako kasi ever since I learned how to do my kilay, I really became comfortable doing the bottom part first. Yan. And then I will just extend this. Yan. Tapos, yung pag ano ng shape, yung upper part. Yan. So, yan. Diyan, gitna. Tapos, baba. Yan, pantay naman. Yan. Tapos, kinulang to, so I have to extend it a bit. Yan. Kasi, we can alter that naman later using my brush and my sponge. And then, the upper part. Hala, hindi ko pala siya na-drawingan ko ba? I forgot. Hindi ko parang hindi. Oh my God. I'm so tanga. Yan, kasi I'm trying to make it as fast as I can. So, there. Yung kilay. And then, I'll just use this to fill. Itong makeup look na to, very ano lang to, like casual coffee date with friends, inuman nights with friends, lunch with family, ganong type of makeup. Like super simple lang siya, super quick and simple makeup lang to. Where's my sponge? Sponge. Pero, hindi ko naman like inaalis yung texture. Like here, gusto ko may makita pa rin hair texture dito. So, siguro that's my form of bushy brown na like in texture dito. Then I need to blend this a little bit. Okay, so that's my brows. Next ko naman is, I'm gonna clean yung powder here. Siya. Sana makita niyo sa wait nga, try ko siya. Magulo yung bed ko, don't judge me. Wait lang. Oops, ayan, siya na lang. So ayan siya sa light, like normal lighting. Ayan, ganyan yung kilay ko in normal lighting. Ayan. So, balik ko na siya here sa stand. Yeah. Okay. So, next na is once na maano ko na yung dito ko, ma-remove ko na yung excess powder from the bake, is nose line ba ako? Sige. Total, may ilaw doon. Merong parang party disco light-ish. Nose line ako. So, sa nose line naman, as I said kanina, kinoconnect ko siya sa ganito ng eyebrows ko. Sa eyebrows ko. Sa ganon. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start off muna here. And then bring it up sa kilay. I'm gonna bring it up sa kilay. Iko-connect ko siya doon. Ewan ko, for me, it really makes my nose longer and slimmer. Mamaya natin i-blend yan. And then same goes sa kabilang side. You just have to make sure na yung pagganon niya is pantay para maganda tignan. Okay, now using another brush, hindi ko alam kung tawag dito, pero it's kind of fluffy and it's kind of flat. That's what I'm gonna use to blend it out. So blend nyo lang siya pababa and pataas up until makuha nyo na yung gusto nyo na look. Or magmukha na siyang shadow. And then the other side, i-connect nyo lang siya lagi sa kilay. Okay, I'm happy with this now. Hindi na ako mag-eyeshadow, pero I could use a bit of contour here. I-define ko lang yung crease ko. Kasi wala akong crease, hindi pantay yan. Using the same brush. Yan. Yan. Tapos pala, going back to dolls, nag-order ako ng Dream Besties, like Renee, and my mom bought me Dream Besties Malibu. So I am so excited. And bukod doon, nag-order na rin ako, and it's already paid, well, like half paid, ng Barbie Holiday 2024. Yung naka-red hair, yung may red hair. She's so pretty. I love her. That's the ano nga mold yun? Generation Girl mold ng Barbie. Kaya ako naman binili yun kasi nga I'm so happy na hindi na nila ni-use yung Millie mode. Though ginamit nila yan for the blonde version. Yung blonde version ng doll na yun is Millie. Tapos Generation Girl yung redhead. So I'm so happy. Tapos green yung eyes niya. Okay, so that's fine for the eyes. And then just to make things more seamless, using my brush, my fluffy brush na malaki, I'm gonna brush paulit tong part na to. Yan. So, parang may shadow lang yung sa nose ko. Hindi kasi makita kasi yung lighting, nakaka-bad trip. But, yan siya. So, after I do that, I'm gonna take my highlighting brush and then this highlighter that I have. Nabili ko rin ito sa Germany. And I so love the color. Hindi siya makita pero in real life, parang pinky siya. So, I'm gonna put it here sa tip ng nose, sa bridge, tsaka sa mamaya ako mag-highlight sa cheeks after kung gawin yung face makeup ko. So, that's it for eyes. I think I'm gonna... Oh! I think I wanna eyeliner. Or I wanna mascara na lang. Yan. Feeling ko mag-mascara na lang ako. Pero, huli na yun. Next blush. I'm gonna use potang ina. Sige. Sige. Gonna use yung liquid blush ko na lang. Sige. So, Germany ko rin ito nabili eh. Yan siya. And it's pink. Nung una, I was like so hesitant to buy this kasi nga it's pink. Like, hello, ang lakas ng loob ko mag-pink blush and I'm like so morena. Pero, in real life, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng color niya. Hindi siya like intimidating na pink. Very subtle lang yung pagka-pink niya. And, basta, maganda siya. Period. And ang bango niya. May watermelon siya. So, once naman na-map out ko na yung blush ko, I'm gonna blend it using my blush brush. Yan. Ganito yung blush ko, angled. Gusto ko angled. Kasi parang at the same time, it helps to contour the face. And then, biniblend ko rin sa may nose ko para just in case, ma-blend ko pa lalo yung nose contour ko at the same time. Ganun ko siya ginagawa. So, when I put my blush, I put it here sa high temples. I mean, dito. Temples pa tawag dito. Sa high points pala, sorry. High points. Tapos sa apples. Around the nose. Bridge. Around the nose. Apple. And then again sa high points. So, ganyan yung blush placement ko. And oh my gosh, ang ganda na talaga in real life. Hindi siya like intimidating. But to make it pop even more, I'm gonna add a blush na parang terracotta yung color niya. Just for that sun-kissed glow. Pero konti lang. Like, dab-dab lang. Tapos add ako ng konti sa forehead. Kasi hindi na ako mag-contour. Konti lang. Yan. And then, after that, I'm planning for a red lip. Parang this looks deserve a red lip. So, ito yung lipstick ko. It's the Liquid Matte. Alam ko lip tint to ng Maybelline eh. Pero, anyway, it's like a lipstick. So, ito yung perfect red for me. Like, ang ganda niya sa skin ko. Like, sa skin tone ko. So, and in fairness, ang long wearing niya. Like, super. I'm so sorry for that moment of silence. Kasi pag nagkamali ko, the thing with red lips, pag nagkamali ka sa kanya, like lumagpas or something, ang hirap niyang habulin. Like, parang uulit mo siya lahat. And then, masisira yung base mo. And then, you have to put a little concealer. And then, dab your foundation. Eh, paano kung, diba, ang dami mo ng ritual na ginawa, tapos biglang nasira all of a sudden. So, kaya tahimik ako pag nagre-red lipstick ako kasi ang hirap niyang habulin pag nagkamali ka. So, ayan siya. Yun yung red lipstick. I so love this sa my skin. Nakakainis na yung light. Inis ako sa lighting. Ayan siya. Pero igaganon ko ulit yung camera ko pag ano ko. Pero ayan siya. I so love this. Ang ganda niya in real life. It's like, oh my gosh. So, yun. Tapos, I'm almost done. I'm almost done, I promise. Tapos, I'm gonna go back sa highlight. I-highlight ko naman yung cheeks ko para mukha tayong plastic. Mukhang plastic yung skin natin. Konti lang. Yan. Tapos i-blend ko lang siya using yung isang brush para hindi naman harsh line. So, there it is. Ito yung makeup ko for tonight. Birthday nung kasama ko here sa bar ko. And then, we're gonna have a celebration sa baba. There's gonna be video, okay? It's gonna be so much. There's gonna be... Oh! I forgot! Magmamascara pala ako. So, we have to curl our lashes. And ang sakit niya. Sabi nga nila, the longer your lashes, the closer to God. So curl your lashes. And put mascara. Okay, so for mascara, I have this. It's the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline, the Sky High one. Okay lang. I've tried great mascaras like yung Roller Lash. I love it. Yung ano nga yung sa L'Oreal, yung ganito rin yung color. I forgot the name. Lash Paradise. Yun, maganda rin yun. It's really lengthening. It's gonna lengthen your lashes. Pero ito kasi, sakto lang naman. It does the job, pero it's not like really wow. Hindi ko mapapawaw ganun. Like, look. Kita ba? Ayan. Ayan siya. Ganyan lang siya. Wherein ganito yung original lashes ko. Kita ba? Ayan. Para lang siyang bulbul na tumubo sa mata ko. Nakakabusit yung pilik mata ko. Maikse, pero naka-flick siyang ganun. Pero maikse. So, dito naman sa other side. Very simple lang yung look natin for tonight. Kasi hindi ko naman birthday. But, mag-birthday na ako sa August 9. And just make sure na even yung pag-apply nyo. Like yung coating ng mascara. And, ganyan siya. Then second coat. Actually, hindi ko pa ito natatry ng second coat. Ngayon lang, like, ever. And this is the second time na nagamit ko pa lang siya. So, medyo... Ay! Maganda pala siya. I mean, it's not bad. It's not like the best, but it's giving. Your lashes are like lashing. Okay. Wow. Yung first gamit ko kasi nito, like, isang coat lang siya. And ngayon lang ako nag-second coat. Pag nag-second coat mo pala siya, in fairness, medyo nagka-clump na tong part na to. Ayan, ganyan yung mascara. In fairness, ngayon ko lang siya na-try mag-second coat. I'm not gonna lip gloss, pero I have one, but I'm not feeling na mag-gloss. Pero let's add some redness muna. Yung hair ko ganyan na lang. Diyos ko. Wala namang aura rito. Ayan. Okay na yan. Fluffy and volumey. So, ipapakita ko na yung hair ko sa magandang lighting. Oops. Dito tayo. Kasi dito yung magandang part. So, eto siya. Diba? Like I told you, hindi siya like, kasi andyan yung TV ko. kaya nakatingin ako that side. So, anyway. So, ito na yung makeup ko. And this is the lipstick. Diba? Yung pagka-red niya, like super, hindi siya yung annoying red. So, like sa dark skin or sa mga morena girls. And hindi na siya like super dark. Basta maganda siya. And then yung mascara. Oh my God, ngayon ko lang siya na-appreciate. Ang ganda pala niya. And this is what I'm telling yung brows ko. Like, meron pa rin parang hair sa mga, sa part na yan. And then yung nose line, ganyan lang siya. Very sweet lang. And then yung highlight. Kita ba? Ayan, meron. Kita siya here. Ayan. So, that's it. Thank you so much for spending your 41 minutes with me. And, bye!